Hi, my name is qut.edu.au and I'm a PhD student. Currently, I'm doing my PhD in disaster resilience. The first semester of my postgraduate degree did not really go well as I expected, and then I started exploring for support services, especially in academic writing. And with the help from the team in academic writing, I managed to complete my postgraduate degree with distinctions. Within academic writing, initially as an international student, I only thought that I needed help with grammar, but after I attended the service, it helped me identify other shortcomings as well, such as I need help with referencing, paraphrasing, and also with sentence structure. The support services available at QUT has not only helped me in my academic career, but also has helped me grow both personally and professionally. If you need help, don't hesitate, don't be afraid, don't think twice. It might save your grades, as it did mine.